When you hear the word spring cleaning, it can signify that it's time for a reset in the interior of your home. Every website and blog tells you the same things. Wash your walls. Declutter your home. We've all heard the same advice time after time. But what about the exterior of your house? Leave the interior to the other guys. We'll handle the outdoor stuff. Here are 5 ways to make the exterior of your home look show-ready in no time. Number 1. Declutter like you're Marie Kondoing your yard. You know how Marie Kondo says to keep only things that spark joy? Apply that to your yard. Walk around and see if there's anything cluttering up your outdoor space that doesn't bring you joy. Imagine you're stepping into your backyard and there's stuff everywhere. Old garden tools, forgotten toys, maybe even a stray gnome or two. Take a moment to sweep through and decide what stays and what goes. Trust me, clearing out that clutter will make everything instantly feel lighter and more spacious. Make 3 piles labeled Keep, Discard, and Donate. In your Keep pile, find the right storage solutions like storage bins, sheds, or hooks to keep everything organized. Donate or sell anything that's in good condition but just doesn't bring you joy anymore. Someone else may fall in love with it. Number 2, blast away the winter blues. Picture this. Your patio or deck has weathered the storm, literally, and now it's looking a bit worse for wear. It's practically begging for a makeover. That's where our trusty friend the power washer comes in. Hook it up, aim, and unleash that high-powered stream of water like you're wielding a superhero's power. Watch in awe as it strips away layers of grime, revealing surfaces that shine like they've just come out of the box. Be careful though. These are powerful tools and they need the right care to function properly. When finished with your yard, house, or patio, store it in a covered location away from the elements. Number 3, show your garden some love. Your garden. Nature's canvas, patiently waiting for its moment in the spotlight. It's time to roll up those sleeves and get your hands dirty. Start by weeding out those unwanted freeloaders, those pesky weeds that just can't take a hint. Then, treat your soil to a feast with some nutrient-rich compost. Think of it as a gourmet meal for your plants. And don't forget to give those unruly bushes and branches a trim. Your garden will thank you with an explosion of colors and scents that'll make you the envy of the neighborhood. You can buy hooks to hang your tools in a garage or utility shed to keep clutter down. Number 4, windows deserve love too. We've all been there, right? Cleaning the inside of our windows until they sparkle like diamonds, but completely forgetting about the outside. It's like having a fancy sports car with a dirty windshield. It just doesn't make sense. Grab a bucket, fill it with warm soapy water, and let's show those windows some much needed TLC. With a bit of elbow grease and a whole lot of determination, you'll have them shining brighter than the sun in no time. Number 5, don't forget your outdoor furniture. Your faithful outdoor furniture has been sitting patiently, waiting for its moment to shine. It's been through a lot, hasn't it? Sun, rain, even maybe a few close encounters with the local wildlife. But fear not, help is at hand. Grab a cloth with some mild soap, and let's give those tired old chairs and tables a spa day they won't soon forget. A quick wipe here, a gentle scrub there, and before you know it, they'll be looking as good as new. Number 6, bring life back to your lawn. Did we say 5 ways in the opening? Well anyway, here's another one on us. The lush green carpet that ties your outdoor space together. Your lawn deserves some love too. After enduring the winter chill, it's probably feeling a bit neglected, don't you think? So let's roll out the welcome mat and give the royal treatment it deserves. Start by raking away any dead leaves and debris that have accumulated over the colder months. It's like giving your lawn a much-needed haircut. Then, if you notice any bare patches, sprinkle some grass seeds and give them a little extra TLC to encourage new growth. And don't forget to give your lawn a good drink. Water is like a refreshing sip of lemonade on a hot summer's day for your grass. With a little bit of care and attention, your lawn will be the envy of the block in no time. And when you've finished making your yard a masterpiece, park your mower, put up your equipment, and take a look around you. You might just have the best exterior in the neighborhood. Did you notice something throughout this entire video? There was something used in nearly every single tip that we specifically handle. We are Stor-Mor Portable Buildings, and we just unveiled our newest type of building, the studio, recently. Watch this video if you want to see it in action, and check out our website at stormor.com when you're ready to find a dealer near you. If you live within 50 miles of a dealer, you get free shipping. Just one of the many ways you get more with Stor-Mor.